Hey guys, this is Ghost Queen. So, long story short, I accidentally lost my tripod that I usually use, so I'm using a spare one, and this one's quite a bit taller than the one that I usually use, so I'm trying out a sort of new setup, I guess. Sorry if it's a little bit difficult to watch, but yeah, this is what I'm gonna be doing until I find that tripod. Anyway, first of all, I would like to shout out my personal Instagram account. You guys should definitely follow it if you want to get sort of a sneak peek of my videos or in between work in progress shots of things that I don't always post in my videos, as well as my sort of casual drawings and things like that. If that kind of thing interests you, I definitely recommend giving that account a follow. Now, if you follow that account, you will know that I recently went to a discount toy store. Well, recently as in recently while I'm filming this video. And I bought these sort of miniature Beanie Boo blind box thingies there. They were on sale and I thought, why not? I kind of like them. But that was before I knew that this series was absolutely notorious for doubles. I don't know what the whole thing behind them is, but apparently this series, the Beanie Boo Mini Series 2, I believe, is just absolutely notorious for doubles, and people are just increasingly frustrated about it. And not knowing that, I bought 2 of them, which were in a row, and yeah, this is what I got. So if you guys have been following me on Instagram, you would have seen me unbox these and also saw my frustration with this whole thing. If you have followed me for a while, you will also know that I started collecting those Gravity Falls figurines, and I also got 2 stands in a row. And like I've been saying, my luck when it comes to blind boxes and such is absolutely stupid. So obviously I got 2 of the same cat, so I decided that I want to try repainting one of these. So after taking a good look at both of these, this one has a very neat sort of paint job. Apparently these are hand painted. Kind of shows each one of them have sort of different features in a way. And this one is a little bit messier. If you can see, she has some pink smudges on her head, and also this is something I can't fix, but she also has an air bubble in her eye. I think that happened while they were casting it. So I'll be keeping this cleaner one, and I'm going to be repainting this one. Now, when I originally had the idea to repaint these, I kind of thought maybe I could sort of paint it to look like my cat and sort of make it a memorial sort of thing for her. But I realized that changing the color of this cat's eyes would be a problem. It's not flat, it's sort of like a plastic or glass eye type of thing, and it's very 3-dimensional, as you can see, which is actually quite realistic when you look at cats' eyes from the side. I don't know about any other animals, but they do look like this. Anyway, changing the color of this type of eye is going to be a bit difficult, so yeah, my cat has green eyes. I don't know if I said this in this video, but this cat has orangey brown eyes. So I'm not going to be able to make it look exactly like her, and honestly, for something that's going to be reminding me of her, I want something that's just like her, so I won't be using this figurine to do that. So I decided to look up some other Beanie Boos, and I found this Halloween cat, which I'll put up on the screen. And I felt like I wanted to make that because I absolutely love black cats, and if I were to get another cat, I would want it to be a black cat. So that's what I'll be making. So I'm not going to be talking for the rest of this video. I'm just going to go on and sort of paint this cat, and that's what the rest of the video is going to be about, so I hope you guys will enjoy. Okay, I forgot to do something. I want to mask off this heart and also her eyes so I don't get paint on them. It's going to be a bit difficult to take it off, so I'm just going to use some masking tape to do that. So I also masked off some places that I wanted to, my phone just went off, I wanted to color with sort of lighter colors because I'm going to be coloring everything else black. So yeah, now let's get to painting. I did a few touch-ups off camera, like I got rid of the blushing on the cheeks and then added some silver around her nose to sort of give her face a little bit more definition. And yeah, I think she's done, so now I'm gonna glaze her. And now I think we're done. So here's a quick comparison of the original. I think she was named Tabitha, and here is my repaint version. I'm not really the best at using acrylic paint, and I don't really work with figurines that much, so I don't know how good this is, but I personally do like how she looks, and I think I will name her Pumpkin. I don't know what the original Halloween cat, Beanie Boo, is named, but she doesn't really look exactly like that Beanie Boo, so I'm just gonna, yeah, make up my own name for her, and that's Pumpkin. And so, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!